Hey guys, Leslie here. I just got home from work and found another Young Living order had come in. What I had done is put in a quick order using my Essential Rewards. So this box for the oils cost me nothing. And then shipping, because I wanted 2-day shipping, cost me like $10. So, oh Lord, getting into this box is difficult. What I got in here is oils that I wanted to use to make some beard oils for my boyfriend. So, things that promote good hair growth. So I got 2 different tubes of oils. And I got here, and this first one is sage, and rosemary. And then the last one that I got was curious what the different packaging is for some of the oils, because the last one that I did had one of these papers around it too. And then this is Northern Lights Black Spruce. I was super excited to order this one because I've heard lots of good things about it. Oh wow. That one you could wear alone just as a cologne. And then this one to me, rosemary does not smell like regular rosemary that you would use in the kitchen. I don't know why it smells different. I guess it's because it's so strong. It smells different. I guess that's just me. And then sage. Oh, that one smells so good. This one reminds me of like Italian seasoning because sage is in it. I guess I love it. Alright. So these oils I'm actually going to be using for my boyfriend for beard oils. If you have any other comments on how I can use these or anything like that, leave them in the comments below. I would love to see your suggestions on those. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.